How to turn off time-sensitive notification on Snapchat iPhone. So go ahead and open your settings application on your device. In here, scroll down until you find the Snapchat application. If you can't find the Snapchat while scrolling down, you can always use the search icon to look for it. So just tap on the search icon, type in Snapchat, and once you're in the Snapchat settings, click on notification settings in here. As you can see, there is a section called Time Sensitive Notifications. It is under the Always Deliver Immediately. Now, what we need to do is to simply turn off the toggle for this one. And once you've turned off the switches for the desired notifications, you can now exit the settings menu. By following these steps, you should be able to disable the time sensitive notifications on Snapchat for your iPhone. So that is how to turn off time sensitive notification on Snapchat. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.